Hello, today we will guide you through how to create a financial milestone in ProjectionLab. Milestones are the moments you want to see highlighted on your financial timeline. Things like paying off a loan, hitting a net worth target, or celebrating a big purchase. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click, so your plan reflects the events that matter to you. Start by opening ProjectionLab in your browser. Give the page a moment to load so the dashboard can populate. To follow along without affecting any real data, choose the sample plan. This is a safe sandbox provided by ProjectionLab, and it mirrors the full feature set, which makes it perfect for practicing before you update your own plan. Next, move into the plan's controls by selecting Settings. Depending on your screen size, you'll see this either labeled clearly in the left panel or represented by a small gear icon. Settings is where you manage high-level plan preferences, and it's also where the milestones live. Inside Settings, look for the Milestones section and open it. This area groups every key event in one place, so you can add, rename, or review items without bouncing around the app. If you don't see the controls right away, simply scroll down. Some layouts show a short description at the top, and the action buttons appear a little further below. When you reach the Milestones controls, click Add Milestone. A dialog will appear with options. Choose Custom Milestone. Templates are great when you want a predefined structure, but custom gives you full flexibility for unique goals or events that don't fit a preset category. With the new milestone created, edit the name field to make it clear and specific. The title you set here will appear across your timeline and reports, so pick wording that instantly tells you what's happening and when. For example, instead of something vague like big goal, try language that reflects the event, such as first home purchase or emergency fund fully funded. Good names make your charts easier to scan and your future updates simpler. That's it. You've navigated to ProjectionLab, opened the sample plan, gone into Settings, entered Milestones, scrolled to the controls, added a new entry, selected a custom milestone, and given it a meaningful name. From here, you can return to your plan view and watch that milestone appear in context, helping you visualize progress and keep your financial story aligned with your goals.